Oh, there we go. What am I looking at? There we go. Morning, good morning. Happy Saturday. It's beautiful here in Seattle. It's not raining. It's beautiful. I have my window open. I can totally see some stuff. I'm a little sleepy though. Always sleepy on a Saturday because I should be sleeping. Should be sleeping, but I'm streaming. Um, cool. Welcome back to the stream. Today I decided I'm going to try to work on some UI elements. I think is my goal for today. Just kind of messing around with my Xamarin app a lot more. I think that's kind of my goal, I would say, just because I want to try some new Xamarin.Forms features and then sort of just mess around from there and try to get a real user interface if we're actually going to try to make this thing a real application, which I don't know if we're actually trying to make this a real application, but that's what we're trying to do, I think. I need to look at my GitHub over here. Let's take a look here. Where's my Mods Codes Live? Nothing Magna. There's Mods Codes Live. So let's see what branches we have open. I'm pretty sure I immersed it in. Okay, cool. I just want to get over to master and then pull in my changes. Oh, I don't know why it is. Hey, morning, Alicio. Alicio. Oh, my computer's all mad at me. But let's pour some coffee this morning. Got my Soundbite.fm mug. Classic. Yesterday was a chess.com mug, so, chess.com'd it up. Oh, then we're going to skip some frames because my Visual Studio is reloading stuff. That's good. So we'll wait for Visual Studio to stop doing things. Oh, man, what is it doing? I switched from a fork to a branch, and it's like, no. Anyways, still same old blue bottle. Delicious. Okay, here we go. Now what's going on here? All right, let me close this. Let's close this solution. What is Visual Studio doing? It's locking up on me. That's what it's doing. All right, I changed the master. That's good. Let's see how I sync all this stuff. Into close solution. I don't know why I decide to sync everything when everything is. Did it get stuff too? I'd be surprised. I was looking around on the internet today because that's what I do. At some search apps and like what search apps in 2018 look like, or chat apps, I mean, in 2018 look like. There's some cool ones. This is a pretty cool one. I don't know about the settings tab there. It's a little bit kind of lame, but I think dashboard could have profile. I think if I was designing it, I'd have like chat, maybe favorites, a dashboard, settings and stuff. I don't think you need nowadays. Maybe 3 tabs. Well, look at this. But yeah, it's a good sketch file. What else do we want? That's cool. I was noticing some trends. It's kind of a simplification. Lots of bubbles, lots of frames, lots of circles. Less hamburger buttons. Like here's a hamburger menu, but I don't see a lot of hamburgers happening. Which kind of makes me sad because I love my hamburger. There's a hamburger. Oh, there's a hamburger. That's very Androidy. I like that. Lots of hamburgers. Dashboard. Here's another one. Very similar, right? Like chat, favorite, contacts, profile. New chat. Tabbed messages. Oh, this one's pretty. Messages. You gotta get a little gradient. Not that good. Anyways, I thought that our app deserved some sort of recognition, some sort of praise, some sort of reason to exist besides just being a chat or chat demo application. Trying to make it a little pretty. Oh, here's one of the bottom tabs. Messages, search, new, something. Oh, that's really interesting. Okay. An emulator here. That's good. All right, what else do I got? Synced. I'm synced. And let's open this up. We are going to today upgrade to Xamarin.Forms 4.0. We're going to design a page. We're going to put down some tabs. We're going to do a bunch of stuff. It's going to be great. It's going to feel good to build some user interface from scratch. Let's load this up. Had a really productive day yesterday. I don't know if you didn't follow me yesterday. Where's my Xamarin.Forms? Is there a pull in here? Let's see. We got really far in this checkbox, and I talked to the team. They're pretty excited. So we got Android, iOS, WPF, UWP. Really happy about it. And people seem to be pretty good. Some comments. That's good. Doesn't have a clicked event. No, it's check changed. Check changed is checked. I should probably outline a little bit more. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and bop around in our app. All right, let's see here. Backend. Just so we're always chatting away. Now since our backend is working, we should be able to just constantly just have the apps running. As far as the console app, which is like on localhost, and then also our just whatever thing running over here all the time. So that's good. All right, cool. All right. And then let's look at our mobile. Can I manage NuGet? No. I was like, can I manage NuGet packages just for that? That's good. All right. Let's look at installed. Let's install some stuff. We're going to install Essentials 1.0 came out. Let's install that. Boop, boop, boop. And then that's good. Accept that. See if there's any breaking changes in that or not, but probably not. Oh, keep opening. Okay, cool. We have so this music is a little slow. Yesterday I was doing really chill music, super chill. Let's try upbeat maybe. Too upbeat. Oh gosh. It's a holiday track. Let's do some holiday music. I like that. I like some holiday music. 8-bit circles. Oh, it's funny. It's like bit. Holiday music. Funny. Try to chill. Okay. That's updated. I like that. Ooh, there's a Blazor SignalR extension update. Netcore app, no. Okay, I wanted to see if we can try this beta. That's good. I just updated MVVM helpers yesterday. Yesterday I did that. Let's try to install the beta. Give it a shot. Why not? Built it in Azure DevOps for the first time. Pretty excited about that. We're going to update to Xamarin.Forms 4.0. But we want to... Did it install? Okay, it did install. All right, good. We want to make sure we target Pi, which I don't have. That's good. A little SDK manager. We only need that platform, nothing else. Install. While that is installing, to simplify our workflow, we have the support libraries, and Essentials has a dependency on custom tabs. So we bring in custom tabs. And pretty sure we have 27021. Android app install. I like to sometimes install all my dependencies for fun, because that's a better way of doing it. And then what else does it depend on? Is that core .utils? Support.core.utils. Support.core.utils. There we go. Install that. All those sweet dependencies. Oh, okay. Beautiful. Does it install yet? Downloading. So, Xamarin.Forms, yeah, requires for the new hotness this stuff. So let us. Is this installed yet? Almost. Definitely don't want to update that. We want to update these. They're multi-targeted though, so you got to be careful on what you're doing on them. So that's important. Come on, install. Good. Okay, so then what we're going to do to make sure we change this, we're going to change our Android app to target Pi. Let us close all documents. Let us unload that for fun. So much faith I have. Just changing it over here for no reason. So why we want to, I'll show you. What we're going to do is we want some new hotness. Got to have that new hotness. So if I type in visual, I really want the new visual stuff here. Xamarin.Forms 4.0. So I want the new cross-platform UI elements into it. In general, that's what I'm going to go with, that I'm thinking. I want those bottom tabs on the bottom. It's where they belong. Sometimes. All right, let's see here. So let's update all of our support stuff. And now this let me make sure this is targeted correct. Yep. Oh, nougat. Okay, so we're gonna update this. Update. And then what we'll be able to do is some hotness. Let's go to Android Asset Studio. What? We want some tab generators. Ooh, 3D. They must have added some new artwork. We want person. Those will be our chats, or maybe group. Some groups. There we go. Oh, is it the group one? Group work. Tab group, and that'll probably be light theme. Okay. We want dashboard, I guess. Maybe that's a dashboard. It looks like a dashboard. tab dashboard. Okay. We want a add button. This will be not tab, but this will be our icon. I see tab. I see add. That'll be a dark. We'll go with a dark theme. So we want white. Then we want a settings. Probably. Sure. We want, what else did we have in our design stuff? Little bell for some reason. Groups, settings, or like a message. There was the one I liked a lot. I liked something like this. Oh, favorites. Dashboard, chat, favorite, profile. Let's see favorites. Where's favorites at? Heart. Like that one. Tab favorites. The light theme. In case we need that. Let's see, chat. There we go, new chat icon. Let's do that. Tab chat. Light theme. Tab person, I see person. And then let's do settings. Do a tab. Settings. Light. Sure. That looks good. All right, cool. Icons got. Oh, I should probably accept that. I like this. Ooh, phone call. It's installing still. That's good. So many phones. Let's see. Phone. Installing stuff still. Let's see how many frames we end up skipping. That'd be great. Well, still doing stuff. All right. Sorry. I'm sorry. Let's see what other apps have. Are those assets similar to Font Awesome? Jenuscu asks. No, I mean Font Awesome has a bunch of stuff in it. Vector art. So they have their own thing designed in general, right? And you can come in and you can do stuff, and pretty rad, right? Kind of vector artwork. The Android Asset Studio is a community generated site. They've been around forever. So probably, oh gosh, since I started 7 years ago or so. And you can come in and like generate launch icons inside of here. You can be like, oh, I want this to be a circle. I want this to be, you know, whatever color, bunch of stuff, right? And you can, you know, elevate stuff, do a shadow, whole bunch of stuff like that, right? Which is cool. And then you can be like, I want this thing to be, I don't know, how do you do it? There we go. Different colors in general. And like there's 9 patch generators and tab icons. So these are like the perfect size for the tabs and whatnot. So the one thing is that these are from the material design icons asset. So these are just like icons by Google in general. So these are like going to be officially material designy ones that you have. And what's nice is that they have all of these. Oops, where to go? They have all these online, so I can be like, oh, I really want this thing, and then I can download it as an SVG or a PNG, and it gives me, you know, how to get a different DP or whatever. Like I want Android, and then it'll give me all the Android stuff. That's kind of cool. It gives me a bunch of stuff. Woo! This is new and fancy, right? So there's have a bunch of stuff in here for you to get access to. So again, they're not the same as the Font Awesome. There's like googly ones in general, and then the Asset Studio lets you export them really easily to the different formats. So let's update Xamarin.Forms while we're doing that. Get more questions. What is UpLabs? Good question. UpLabs is sort of like Dribble in a way, but UpLabs originally was like Material Up, which is like all about material design and things like that in general. But it's very similar to Dribble, but it was more always really focused on iOS or Android work. So a lot of like Android stuff, a lot of designs, people sharing, things like that. You can come in here and get some inspiration, and people are like designing apps and be like, oh, this is free, and you can see how you want to use it, or like, oh, I'm looking for this flight booking tool or whatnot, and things like that. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. I don't know. I like it a little bit better than Dribble, just because Dribble to me, I'm not like the creative, I'm more the browser. But yeah, you can just like come in and look at branding and get some inspiration, and I think they have challenges and a whole store and things. Yeah, so they have like a whole thing. If you need like, oh, this person's selling icons, right, for $10, and you can look at what people are selling or doing things inside of it. I mean, it's very similar to Dribble, but Dribble. Where's Dribble at? Dribble. Yeah, I mean, they're very, very similar in a way. I always think that Dribble is more like web and art compared to literally, if you look at UpLabs, right, when you come to the UpLabs page, it's like, what are you going for? Are you going for iOS or Android or an illustration, or what's just popular? And they're like, these are googly people. I mean, not people from Google, but googly people, I would say. That's where it started from, but yeah. That's cool. Like people will be like, oh, I'm going to recreate the WhatsApp, and then it'll show you this one's here's like Photoshop. And then I don't know if you can like, I don't even have an account, but you can upvote stuff and do a bunch of stuff. So pretty cool. We did an episode. Let's see. Search. See if this works. Design. Let's see if I do design. I feel like we did one. Yeah, there we go, yeah. We did episode 22. Oh, that's funny, I'll post this thing here. We did an episode a long time ago, and we talked about designing applications, and I talked about Material Up at the time, which was from UpLabs, which is now just the Android part. So we talk all about our different resources and tools that we use to get it in there. Just funny. Huh. It's been a while. It's been a while. So pretty cool there. Anyways, all right, cool. So this is cool. They have this new page. What other tools do they have? They have tools, a material theme editor, a gallery. Ooh, that's cool. Whoa. I'm gonna have to try this material plugin. Beautiful. Huh. Get shape. That's really cool. Woo, so cool. Google's. Oh, so we should probably accept this. Okay, I should probably work on some stuff today, but I'm all about that. Ask me anything. Ask me anything. All right, I feel pretty good about this updates. All right, let us go into our views and let's just start throwing down some stuff. So I want a new, I guess we want some tabs. So let us add a new item, I think. Initialize those templates. Let's go out of here. Forms, tabbed page. Home page. Boop. Okay. Instead of main page, we have home page, which is good. We'll just work on this. Okay. I already know how to use Xamarin.Forms XAML. What's it doing? What is it doing? What's it logging off for? Oh, stop it. What's it doing? Urgh. What are you doing? Cool. All right. Let's do Android. Android. I always look this up because I reported a bug the other day that it doesn't come up in IntelliSense. It's very upsetting to me. Oh, look at all those Nightbots. So aggressive over there. It's interesting. Bottom tabs. Still after 6 months, I still gotta look this up. So we want this one. Where's my final at? Just place that in there, it's better. I don't know why this IntelliSense still doesn't come up, but it totally works. Hey, tofu. Ooh, tofu. You can go for some tofu. Alright, so we got our bottom tabs. We can probably leave this out for now. I don't know if we need the bar background color and stuff like that. We'll just leave it off for now by default. Let's go ahead and... Well, maybe. What colors do we want? What is that red color? That's the thing, is I don't have Illustrator on here, so I don't want to log in. So color picker. Oh, I probably want like material colors. Color. We want that's a little aggressive. Oh, that's a good color. Maybe a purple. Let's do a purple app. Hey, 2milli. I'm gonna call you 2milli because I think that's a cool name. I really like this purple. Subdued purple. Ooh, that's even pretty. That's too much. I like this purple a lot. Secondary. accent. Hmm. Kind of almost like it a little bit. This is me picking colors. Picking colors. Hello from Turkey. Turkey. Current scheme. There you go. I gotcha. Bro. I gotcha. Well, I guess we can always change these colors later. I don't really know where I'm going on these colors. Except for I like... I don't know what color I like. It's too much. No. Hello. It's a real webcam. it's a real webcam. They're hanging out. I mean, they don't move very much because they're monkeys. So, but they're definitely there. It's a whole webcam. I bought a whole webcam just for them. How do I export this? Android. Ooh. Like that? Okay. Cool. Oh, we're going to move this stuff, right? We're going to maybe adjust these things. All right, so let us... Bring. Let's put that inside of my Android resources, values, colors. There we go. All right, does it line up? Color primary, that's funny. Primary dark. Huh. I wonder what they're calling it now, because they seem to be calling it... So primary, secondary, and then primary dark. Maybe we just go with that. We can just call it primary. All right, so let's go into our styles. So many things. Bonsoir. I'm gonna call this primary color. So they're calling it now. This will be primary dark color. And then we want the secondary color, I think. That looks good. Okay, and then what we can do here is copy these into our... Oops. I guess we can pin that. We can put those into our app XAML. And how do we do this? That color? We can just paste this. I need a converter. Okay. Is this name? I'm gonna look it up. Xamarin resources color. Resource dictionaries. Okay, I gotta put it in a resource dictionary key. There we go. I don't know why there's not a resource dictionary in there for me already. There we go. Then we'll call this primary color light, primary color, secondary color. Let's see. It is nice. We have a lot of tools. Lots of tools. Lots of tools. This thing? I don't even know. Accessibility. That's cool. There's a lot of like cool things in here. Material. Is there a Fluent theme editor? Fluent theme editor. How do you get it? Where's it at? Not so much into the... Is it in here? Where's it even at? Like, how do I get this? How do I download it? Fluent theme editor released. How do I get it? Okay, so where's it at? For the app. Is it in the store? Fluent theme editor. Nope, not there. It's not there. Oh, if you're the store version. Here it is. How come I couldn't find it? Fluent XAML theme editor. All right, get. Open. Huh. Interesting. I guess install it everywhere. Did it install it? Oh, I don't think I have, Oh yeah, I don't have, for some reason my computer won't update to the latest version. So, I don't think I'm gonna be getting it. So there you go. I didn't write it. Oh, I wrote Fluent theme editor. Oh, I see what you're saying. I typed it wrong. Oh, well, I got this one. It's better. It's online. It's just, it's there. Done. Okay, so we want now for our home page to have a bar background color of, oh, there we go. Primary color. And what is our text on primary. It's black. Is that in here? Primary text color. Primary text color. Our bottom tabs, we're gonna leave those as a selected color. That'd be cool. Static. Do secondary color. There we go. Do that. All right, let us put that over here. Let's do this thing where I extract to a new folder. Oh gosh. That's not what I wanted to do. Extract here. Res, there we go. So what's cool is that this gives me all of these folders. There we go, cool. Then we can put them in here. There we go. Hey, how's it going? We're just kind of working on some app stuff. Working on some app stuff today. Does all get in there? Still gonna load. How do I do? I have this on my GitHub, github.com/. You always look up stuff. Tabbed page with navigation page. Does this have the code in it? There it is. That's what we're looking for. When in doubt, just to get some code online. Cool. Why do I use static resource instead of dynamic resource? I use static resource because it's never gonna change ever. I mean, I don't need it to be dynamic, so I'm never gonna change the resource. So what's the difference between static and dynamic? Static resources are resolved and assigned to the property during the load of the XAML. Dynamic assigns an expression object to the property during load, but does not actually look up the resource until runtime. This defers looking up the resource until it is needed at runtime. Define later in XAML. Will not even exist until runtime. Oh yeah, because you could have a dynamic resource until later. I don't know. Just static seems correct to me. I never change it, so. If I was gonna like have the theme change, you know, like have a theme, you can make that dynamic, right? That would make more sense. But since I'm not doing that at all, it doesn't really make any sense, I guess. That's how I looked at it. In general. These tabs are gonna upset me. Let's put these in the right area. Looks better. All right, so I also want a local. Pages will be views. That's interesting. So let's do the main page here. Okay. And then this will be, we're going to set up a few pages. They're all going to be the same. We'll do dashboard or my icons tab underscore dashboard. Okay. We probably don't even need much on here. Dashboard. What did I have? Chats. I'll probably want to group. Maybe I like chats though. We're gonna have 3 pages. That's probably good. Let us do. I mean, not that I know of. I've always used static resource. I'm not changing them. I mean, I do think that doing a dynamic resource, if I was going to be like, oh, change your theme and do all your stuff and stuff like that, that could probably be nice, I guess, in general. But yeah, that's my thought. That is my thought. Favorites. I don't even know if I want titles on them. That's the new craze, is no verbiage. No verbiage. Oh, I wonder if I can material. I think I can do title like this, and then I can do on platform, and then do dashboard, and then default none. I can just do just that. There we go. Only on UWP. I should probably finish that off. All right, that's main page, main page, main page. Then let's also do this. I don't even know if I need the PNG on it at all. Tab favorites. There we go. I could be wrong. Amco. I could be wrong. Maybe they are faster. I'm not an expert though, so don't hold me to it. That's for sure. Icons. They can export iOS icons. Right? Is that what it said? Where is my... So like, where's a heart at? Can I just search in here? Heart. Oh, I don't know why they don't have a search in here. That would be ideal. Like, here's a bunch of icons that you can't use. I guess there's like communication. So we want... Oh wow, I don't see the chat bubble. iOS. I wonder if it gives me all... Can I call it anything else? No, that's good. I just want to see what it gives me. I'm kind of curious. We can delete all these. Delete. Oh, interesting. Oh, it does give me a bunch of good stuff. Gives me assets. Interesting. What are the iOS tabs icon size? That's not correct. Icon size. Tabs. Regular tab bars. Target width. Wide glyphs. 23? Compact tab bars. This is very hard to understand. What size are those icons? $30 by 30 is what someone says. Oh, 25 by 25. I see. Okay, so it'd probably be the 24, I think. Let's see here. Rename tab underscore chats. Tab underscore chats at 3x. Put those in here. It's called tab, right? Is that what I called it? Tab underscore. Cool. Let's see what else we have. We have I'm using tab chat favorites dashboard. All right, so where's that heart at? That's what I need to find. Oh. Oh, those are the same. That's kind of cool. There's outline. Where is heart? Social? Pages. Toggle. Checkbox. Toggle on, toggle off. That's cool. Cute. Intermediate. Image. I bet it's image. Where is heart at? All. Find it this way. Dashboard. Ooh, dashboard. I like that one like 1,000 times better. It's that. Download. It's gonna do Android. Okay, I want to do those. Android. That's good. Make them synchronize, and then where is my heart at? Heart, 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 heart. Come on. Favorite. I swear I saw it earlier. It's like somewhere in here. Somewhere in here. Did I not have it? Am I not seeing it? Oh, there it is, favorite. I was like, I swear I see it. I don't need Android, I need iOS. Bloop. Okay, cool. Let's get these icons right. So it's in the 24. Let's do this here. Dashboard, 24. Tab dashboard. Rename tab dashboard at 2x. At 3x. All right. I'm old school with my at 2x's and 3x's. That's for sure. Delete, delete, delete. There's my faves. Call it favorite. Rename. Favorite. Rename tab underscore favorites at 2x. Oops. It's a great looking heart. Rename tab underscore favorites at 3x. Put those in there. Then I want to see what it dumps out for Android too. I'm curious there. Delete. Oh, that's great. Whoa, interesting. That's weird. Oh, it gives me the different sizes. Interesting. So 36. What do I have? SVGs are easier to work with, but the platforms don't support SVG really, so it's kind of hard to use SVG if things don't support SVG. Let's see, XHDPI is 48. I think 24 is what I want. You gotta work with what you have. That's true. That is true. All right, so what I want to do here is I'm going to, easily enough, go into my HDPI. Call this rename tab underscore dashboard. Dashboard rename tab underscore dashboard. Just copy this in here. Replace. Boop. Do we have oh, we do have stuff in MDPI. That's interesting. Rename. Put that in here. I don't know. I just like platform stuff. Makes it easier because they are actually specific sizes in general. And I don't have that. I mean, I guess I could dump out an SVG, but it seems like this is what I'm used to for 7 years. That's what I do. It's not too bad to have these. And then additionally, if you optimize your app, Google will strip out the resources you don't actually need inside of your app. So there's like an optimization there that happens. I guess we don't really care about what too much that it's black, but it's interesting enough. XXHDPI. Cool. All right. All right, so that looks good. Looks good. Oh, I never initialized the essentials dot platform. Oops. Dot init. This saved instance. All right, cool. Then where's my Xamarin? Copy some code around. Copy. There we go. Cool. On platform requests, that came in. Good. All right, cool. Now I'm curious if we go into our main chat app. We have resources in here. We have the service. We should be able to get a new... new homepage? Maybe? See if it builds. And then what I really want is, if I look at that home page again, ooh, original attribute defined. Oh gosh. The values? Wait, what? What just happened there? Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. This needs to be at color slash primary color. Oops. At color slash primary dark color. Defining my own things at color slash secondary color. This is the color accent. This is this. This is this. There we go. That should be better. It's like I'm defining my own colors. Can't be doing that. There we go. This should all work. And then I usually do my own, like my own homepage, my own navigation page. Let's see. So I'd usually do like view, and then I'll say like add new class, exam chat navigation page. This will be a public class. This will be a navigation page. This will be a public exam chat. There we go, and then a void set colors. Then I can do bar background color. Application dot resources. How do I get my resources? Application dot current dot resources sub. What did I have in here? Where's my app XAML? Primary color. Let's see, make this a color. There we go. Then bar text color. That'll be my primary text color. Boop. Then in my home page, I should just be able to do a pages navigation page. There we go. That way they're all the same. Boop. Cool. All right, what's running? My device. I think. Yeah, that should still work. Okay. Oh, what's in main page? Yeah, it's just a page. Lobby. see if it works. We'll see if it works. Oh no. What did I do? Oh, I did update to, let's do a clean. I did do something. What is that? Icon. Oh, did I get rid of? Oh, I did. Oh, snap. Launcher background. Oops. I didn't know that was in there. Changes. I didn't know. So many icons. Colors. Yeah, I probably need to make sure I don't delete that. Sorry, I'm sorry. Colors. Put that back in there. It's just white. Okay. How about now? Does that compile? Then how do we get our... I don't want anything here. Go away. There, one of the visual stuff. Set this flag. Okay. Before we init, we're gonna set this flag. Boop. I don't think this is even a feature flag in UWP, but we'll set it anyways. Why not? Did it build? References. What is it mad at? What? What is going on here? Did some upgrade fail? Unless we had some sort of bad... No, it's totally there. Right there. Like the NuGets maybe didn't restore properly. SignalR chat, there we go. Yeah. I think they're adding like SVG support at some point maybe for stuff. I don't know. It feels like Skia. I think Skia can do it really well because it's drawing stuff, right? But I don't know if clean. All right, now the dependencies. I think there's something with the dependencies didn't restore properly. There we go, because that looks good. All right. Rebuild all successful. Rebuild. Fingers crossed. Oh no. Oh, interesting. If a connection is not active. Oh. Oh, weird. I wonder if my SignalR... Oh, my SignalR client stopped. That's funny. I think I use... Oh. Yeah, I don't use FF image loader because I'm not sure how it deals with stuff in general, to be honest with you. I don't like to use any packages like that. I think images are very complicated, so I'm sure that the package does very well, and I trust the community, but I don't trust images, so On Android, I use Glide though, but I don't know. I stay away from SVGs. If the platforms don't support it natively, I don't want it. That's kind of my thought, but it's also, what do I know? An interesting frame rate drop. I think my internet might be a little slow today. So let's see. So I wanted to, let's get the backend up and running. I think the backend quit on me or accidentally closed it maybe. It's possible. It's weird if so. Maybe it just timed out. Maybe there's a timeout on it. It'd be weird if so. Let's, okay. Yeah, I'm just, oh, you know, the other thing is I just kind of, I like to use as much of the base as I possibly can, unless it's like a package I created. So if I didn't create the package, then I'm probably not likely to use it necessarily. That doesn't mean there's anything wrong with it. It's just that in my mind, I'm very much I like to use my stuff, which is kind of like weird for me to say, I guess, but it's like I know I built it, so I know what's in it. So, and I'm just kind of very picky, I guess, in general. So, very picky. Oh, wow, now my upload is like really interesting. I'm watching. I can watch Streamlabs and oh, cool. There we go. Let's see. Let us see. Cool. Oh, that's not good. Oh. Oh, I set the bar background color. I shouldn't have done that. That's funny. That's not correct. That is not correct. In our home page, we definitely don't want to set the bar. Oh, that's a tab bar. Yeah, we don't want to set that stuff up. I'm pretty sure. Leave those alone. Defaults. Oh, there it is. Why isn't the line there? That's intriguing. I don't need that. I can do this. Let's try that again. Oh, that's intriguing too. I don't know why I guess maybe I do need text on the bottom, or like maybe it's trying to set text. Oh, that's strange. Okay. For some reason, all about that lavender. That's interesting. Oh, it's funny that the colors are very different based on the selection. Huh. They're much darker in this case because it is a black icon. That's funny. I don't know why we'll get there. We'll have to change around some icons, that's for sure. I guess it's like applying a tint onto them. Should make some sense. I don't know why my... Doesn't seem like it's applying the correct file. It's definitely grabbing the right one. That's interesting. I wonder if my colors are all messed up for some reason. Inside these defaults. It doesn't make a lot of sense because I don't really set anything here. It's like it's not like picking up the... I mean, I will comment out. Where's my comment out button? I don't know where it's at. Where's my comment out button? I don't know where my comment out button is at. Where is it? It's not debug. Where is my dialog editor? Nope. Formatting? Nope. No, table, text editor. There we go. It's very strange. I don't know why the placeholder color, like you can't see it. It's weird. What if I change it not to this? Let's try not this, maybe. Yeah, I think it's the text editor one. It's the one I was looking for. And I guess my... kind of sucks. Let's go back into my desktop, I guess. I guess I'll leave the text down there. Hey, Breaker, how's it going? Hey, chat. Hey, chat room. All right, we're going to... Did I cancel the build? Build, cancel. I'm just going to leave the words there because apparently it really wants the words there, so that's good. Should really be up to the subpages anyways, but faves. All right. Then we're going to move these back in because why not? Until I redo a bunch of stuff. Didn't I just literally say do all? There we go. Pretty sure I just did, yeah, just a dashboard. All right, cool. All right, let's see. Let us see. I guess I could make that the accent color. That'd be kind of cool, I guess. I don't understand why the... Oh, that's good. Always, always better and better. It's going good. I got some design down. I don't know if my colors are correct, but we got some lavender. Very excited about that. Eventually we'll put in a splash screen because this is gross. All right. Something with the material is throwing it off. Okay, so now we got dashboard, chats. Like that. That's good. That is good. I think if I set the... I wonder if I make a, I would like make a dark theme for the entire app. Like that'd be kind of cool. But I don't know why this tap isn't working. It's strange. Where's my... Oh, maybe because I didn't put in a username. Oh, there we go. Okay, still seems to be working. Cool. That looks good. Some chats. I'd want this to be a modal anyways, but wow. 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 Okay. I'm curious why this material flag didn't work correct. That's intriguing to me. Because that's one of the main reasons I wanted it. Visual material. Placeholder, text. I feel like that should work. Because that works. That's correct. Much faster on the redeploy. So that doesn't work. I mean, the text is there. I see mots. Maybe I have to set the color. Placeholder color. And I'll set that equal to like static resource. Maybe that's what it is. Primary. Secondary color. No, I wanted to make it probably my primary color and then text color. Hey, go to. Whoa, it's been a while. Been a while. Secondary, primary, text color. Let's try that out. Maybe that's what it needs to get it to show up. Am I right? I feel like that should set it. To the thing. And it sets the theme to inherit from channel or continue. That's interesting. Oh, there we go. All right, so you set those colors. Got it. That's looking better. It's making me happier. I was like, I thought it was crazy for a second. I was like, what's happening? I'm just gonna put all these in a stack layout. I probably want to do like margin. Let's do like 10, 10, 10. And then 10, 0. Okay, let's try that again. And then I need to probably make this the same over on my other one, which is on my chat page. Down here. Chat. And same thing here. I should be able to do visual equals material, and then I can do the background color equals. let's try this out. And then we'll try it on iOS, and then we'll call it a day because it's 10 o'clock. Oops, I messed it up. Oh, I can't convert 10. You don't like that? There we go. You don't like my not properly formatted margin? Fine then. Cool, material buttons, chat. I can even do it so like it has a send icon on there. There we go. Xamarin.Forms is a preview today. Wow, this looks really good. I like it. Yep. It is a preview today. That's funny, that accent is an interesting color. When you manage your NuGets, you just upgrade to the preview. It just came out like, when did 4.0 come out? 2 weeks ago? So yeah, first preview, pretty excited about it. A lot of good stuff. First thing's visual. So then let us flip over to iOS. I have my thing here. Let's see if this works. Move that working, chats. Oh, and I can turn off, that's another thing too I can do, is I can turn off paging while it's starting. Is swipe paging smooth? False. There we go. Where is my iOS app? Let's see if this will work. Yeah, it has a bunch of nice stuff in there, like a collection view, this visual stuff, which is super cool. What else does it have? Recycler view, not recycler view, but a carousel view, which is really nice. Lots of good stuff. So where's our blog at? We just did a bunch of blogs on it. I need to read that. Yeah, nice new collection view. Let's get this over here. Oop. So you put like just a collection view and basically just boom, collection views. So cute. Probably use one of those. And then there's also this recycler view thing, which is cool. Boop, 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 boop. That's cool. Let's see. Username. Mods. Oh, I can also turn off. Where's my main page? How do I turn off Xamarin.Forms auto correct entry disable? There's a way to do this. We have it built in here. It's built in. How do I disable it? There's a way. Capitalized letter. Oh, keyboard flags. I don't like this. Oh no, is that it? I thought there was like, oh, is spell check enabled? False. There we go. Anyways, okay, so cool. Oops, I'm in the wrong lobby. Oh, it looks cool. Oh, my chat's icon's not there for some reason. What did I not call it? Chats. Tab chat. There we go. And then we're gonna just set up probably a custom renderer for that tab for iOS because I don't think they have it. So you can set up the colors correctly for the unselected. I'll have to do that in the future. Maybe I can set the tint color. Oh. How do I set the iOS? I think that's probably what I want to do. I can just do it for that. Key window, tint color. Application dot shared application dot key window dot I wonder if I can get access to, I think I could do this. I can do color, and then I can do like application, resources, current, current resources sub primary color. I can grab it from there. Primary color. Then I can do a dot to UI color. That's an extension. Bring in that. Cool. That should work. Let's see if that works. Nope, that didn't work. That's because it's probably not loaded yet. Whoa, crazy. Yeah, I assume the key window doesn't exist yet, so that is a thing. I'll leave that out for now, I guess. We'll leave it out for now until I figure out how to do that. Okay, so let's see if it works. Oh, yeah, probably some appearance API, yeah. Mods, go into here. Uh-oh. Oh. It's because it's trying to communicate on, it's trying to communicate on localhost, and it's not on localhost. So that's something that's not going to work, because I'm on iOS over here, and I'm on localhost, which does not exist. I gotta figure that out, but it at least is tab. Oh, the tint collar. Well, I have actually, you know what? I have an article on this. GitHub, where's montemagna.com? Search. Tint color. You know, I literally have it right here, by the way. So. Perfect. It's right in my docs. Here you go. Boop, there you go. Like how I literally have it right here. Boop. Then there's like selected and unselected. So if you wanted to do that, you could do a custom renderer for it. But that should, I want to see if that fixes it. at least do the selection. That'll make me happy. Let's see. There we go. Yay! And the selector should really be the secondary. What did I set it to in the main page? I set it for bar item selected color, secondary color. Works for me. Works for me. But this one just did that. But the unselected color you need to like set up a little bit differently. Yeah, that works. Cool. That works well. Depends. I don't know what went wrong, but you can always just DM me and be like, "Oh, this doesn't work anymore." But this should work. And this is on this host. I wonder if I can. Yeah, iOS will have some problems, but it's better. Big send button. Ooh, material ripple. Okay, that's looking good. Let us create a new branch. And I'll call it feature / I'll call it app design. Let us check in some code, and we're gonna say added new tabbed design and lots of icons and colors. Updated Xamarin.Forms 4.0. Looks pretty good. Back and forth. I guess I could set the color is interesting if they do these colors on iOS. They're probably going to have to change that around, but yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Nice. Mod says nothing. This doesn't work yet. That's cool. I wonder what happens if I run it on UWP now. I didn't even look at that. I assume that the visualization doesn't do anything and just is ignored. Yep, that's good. Chats, favorites, cool. That's good. Oh, that's cool. At least it has some similar themes here. Hello, world. Hi. 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 Anyways. Oh yeah, unselected color, you have to do so unselected color, you need to put in unselected icons. That's what you need to do. So if you want to get them correct. Yeah, so like the problem here is really they should have a completely different icon when it's selected. And you should use the tint, right? But it should be a different icon. It should be filled. So I should go and create those icons and then bring them back in so they're selected and unselected. But you have to magically do this, and you have to be using these icons, right? That's why I have this crazy hack basically to do this. It's kind of not great because I also use the accessibility identifier, I think. So it's a little bit not perfect, but kind of works. All right, peoples, that's it. Thanks for everyone. No new followers, no new subscribers, so that's great. Just hanging out, but thanks for everyone chilling with me. I'm glad we got some theming going on in our app. It looks good. Let's publish the code. Let's get it going here. Just commit it all. Pretty happy about that. Push.
It should also read that I crushed it from 2013 to present.
Cool. All right. Well, I hope everyone has a great weekend. I'm gonna check out from here. You can grab that code. It's all up on the GitHubs. Put that in the chat. What? There we go. App's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy about it, and it's gonna be a pretty good test bed in general. Chats. Okay, cool. Well, until next time, thanks for tuning in. I'll be back on Friday, scoping it. So thanks for tuning in. Cheers.